Hello, everyone. Just wanted to say again, great job. Welcome to Accounting 110. I'm really excited to be working with everyone. It was a lot of wonderful energy, wonderful enthusiasm. Again, I want to make sure everybody has my contact information. I've already received some emails and some text messages. I look forward to that, so keep it coming. Uh, keep with the questions. I'm happy and here for you, here to help. So, just a recap of what we went over in our first class for week one. And as I mentioned before, we're covering that first portion of the chapter, and we're looking at forms of business, users and uses of financial information and business activities. We had some great discussion around this, especially our whole exercise that we did as far as seeing how the personal and the business ties in, and why this all makes sense. Um, we looked at the sole proprietorship, the partnership, and the corporation. Remember, we talked about liability and how that's important with the sole proprietorship, the owner and the business one and the same, and that is unlimited liability. We've got that partnership as well, where we got two proprietors coming together to form that partnership. You've got liability issues there as well. The corporation gives you that limited liability. We talked about shareholders and the board of directors and management. So keep that in mind as we move forward in the chapter. We took a look at the uses of financial information and who is the users, right? We looked at internal, external users. So we talked about internal management. We looked at external shareholders, the public at large, and we looked at the ethics around that. That was a really great discussion. So keep that up. Keep the things that we talked about in class in mind when you're reading the chapter, and we're moving forward because we're going to get into financial statements as we move um, into next week, into week two. We touched on business activities. Big one is operating activities. We looked at investing and financing activities. Make sure that you're familiar with these. This will help when we get to the statement of cash flows. So again, want to thank everyone. Say great job, great work. I'm looking forward to seeing everyone next week. Make sure to get in there, take care of that quiz, and let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Thank you.